listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt? Yeah. I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me, if you want it, baby. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us. Yeah. You wanted honesty but couldn't find someone you could trust. So let me be your go-to. I could be the one who gives you everything you want and more. I've been sitting on the sideline, waiting till the time's right. But something about this moment feels so pure. So I gotta know if you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. So give me your moment, show me that baby you're down for it, down for it. So give me your moment, show me that baby you're down for it, down for it. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it, like I got it, like I got it bad for you. Like I got it bad for you. Like I got it bad for, bad for. Like I got it bad for you.
How long has it been? Feels like forever. Noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined. Can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world? Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So many different scenes, growing from what I've seen. Everything's one routine. All of 19, staying in quarantine. Blame the 19, staying in quarantine.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. And maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? 'Cause my mind's on other things, but I'm not sure you'd find them interesting. And maybe I should practice how I feel instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. I know I overcomplicate, but simplicity's surreal. It doesn't seem to me too big a deal. I'm sorry if this all feels like a game. Maybe this whole quarantine's to blame. I don't know if you still love me, but I still feel the same. For what it's worth, that's how I feel today. So will I float like leaves do in the wind? Or will I sink as soon as I jump in? I'm sure my feet will touch the ground, but I can't swim. And I'm not sure it matters in the end. I know that I should practice what I preach, but telling you the truth is hard for me. So Jesus, could you help me out? 'Cause I'm bursting at the seams. I guess I'll never know what's good for me. Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. Oh, I'm trying. I play it back when it's over, the back when it's over, back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over. The way you touching my shoulder. I want back when it's over, the back when it's over. I try to walk straight, but I'm stumbling down.